want, okay? If you want to do a poster, that's cool, right? But what I would advise you is that if you are going to make a poster, make sure that you take your poster. For example, okay, so let's say my screen, I'll make it bigger to try to give you a better example. Okay, so if you're making a poster, imagine your poster is, this big. Okay, so your poster is this size, and you're going to do roots, you're going to do stems, you're going to do leaves, you're going to do flowers, you're going to do something else. Think about maybe drawing a big picture of your plant in the middle where my face is, and having sections of the poster for each of the sections of that plant's adaptation. If you do that, it means you won't have to do numerous posters. But if you're going to do a book, I would recommend just doing small pages, like one small page, one small page, one small page, and then putting them together. But that's up to you. Okay? If you want to do a poster, by all means, like, I've got no problem with it. As long as you're able to talk about all the different adaptations of that plant, yeah, by all means, that's cool. That makes me happy. If it makes you happy as well, even better. So that's up to you, okay? Does anyone have any questions about that? Let's make sure we all understand this now before we move on. So, who has a question about what they want to do? Okay, Ken, you said you wanted to make a poster, right?
No, I think the book is easier.
The book is easier?
I think I'm going to make a book.
Okay.
I like a poster.
Okay, you understand what I said about making a poster, right? Make it nice and big. Kind of imagine that my screen is the poster. In the middle, draw your plant. And then in the sections on the side, leave space for the adaptations. You understand? Okay.
I want to make a book or a poster. I don't know.
Okay, well, decide.
Both.
You can make both. You've got too much time on your hands. Elsa is happy. That makes me happy. Elsa is happy. Elsa, you're going to make a book or a poster?
A poster.
Poster, nice. Mr. Snow, book or poster?
Poster.
Poster, cool. Edie.
Yeah. You need to my name.
Okay. Hi.
No.
Pick up
It's
one.
on the screen.
Okay, Penelope.
I'm going to make a poster.
Good stuff. Rosie, what about you? Book or poster?
A what?
You're going to make a book or a poster? You've all said what you're going to do. Please understand what I said. You're going to make a book. Book is easy to do. A poster, if you're going to make a poster, please ensure you leave space for all of the sections we're going to talk about. Every day we'll do one different type of plant part. So make sure if you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, that's 5 parts. Flower in middle, different adaptations on the side. Make sure you leave space. Okay, so
A book.
okay, good stuff. Okay, so yesterday I asked you to choose a plant and choose some roots that have an adaptation. Who would like to tell me about a plant they chose and some of the adaptations of that plant?
Green roots.
It has green roots, okay. Why does it have green roots? I've never even heard of green roots. So if you choose something like this, Bill, please make sure you find out the reason why. If there's something strange about the root, you got to find out why it's got green roots, okay? This is the type of information that we need to know. Understand? Ingu, you understand?
Yes.
Good stuff, thank you. Monkey, what plant and roots did you choose?
I haven't chosen anything yesterday yet.
Oh, okay, you didn't choose anything. Why? Why didn't you do my homework? Who did choose something? Please tell me. Please tell me who chose one type of plant or flower. Or did nobody do their homework yesterday? Minnie. Minnie, thank you very much. Minnie, what flower did you choose or plant did you choose?
It was a cactus.
A cactus, cool. Tell me about the roots in a cactus.
A cactus root is near the surface.
Yeah.
Because in the desert, evaporate really fast. So it needs to get as much water as possible.
Yeah, good job, well done, Minnie. Jasmine, I saw your hand as well.
Okay, we're playing present finishes.
Okay. Was there anything interesting about the adaptations, or are you just still working through it?
Still working.
Okay, no problem. Kent, tell me, what did you choose, buddy? Oh, dewdrops. Really? Oh, cool. That's an interesting one. Tell me
Yes, my mom tells me to do that because this is the easiest way.
don't take your moment. Don't always take the easy option. Okay, tell me something interesting about dewdrops.
The tadpole is will take the nutrient to the root, and the lateral root will get more nutrient to get the plant to survive and take soil in, take the nutrient inside under the soil.
Okay, so you don't have taproots. That's interesting. Kent, you said something there about the lateral root. Okay, so
Okay.
when you if you come across a word such as lateral, okay, I want you to make sure that you take the time to understand what that means, right? Okay, because if you said lateral root to your class, by a show of hands, who understands what a lateral root is? Who knows what a lateral root
I think I could change the plant to the cactus.
Change it to whatever you want. I don't mind, but it's not just advice for Kent, it's advice for everyone, okay? When you do your study, when you do your research, when you look into something, if you see a word you do not understand, I would love if you write that word down, you look up a dictionary, you go on the internet, and you find out what that word means. Okay, that would be awesome. Yes, Emily, you have a question? Emily, choose a plant that's alive, please. Thank you very much. Yes, P, you have a question? Please don't tell me you killed a plant either.
No, I chose rhodiola. I don't know what his name. I think it's rhodiola.
A rhodiola really, right?
I think so.
Okay.
I don't know how to read it.
Okay, can you write it in the chat for me?
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, who else had a hand up there? Did you have a hand up?
I chose a mango tree next to my house.
You chose a mango tree. Okay. What's interesting about mango tree roots? Okay, no problem. Okay, B, did you choose a plant? Please make sure that by the end of the day you have chosen at least one plant and you have looked into its roots. So what we're going to do today is let's do a live quizzes all together. These are fun names. The tiny whales, the righteous raccoons, the brave chickens. Oh, I want to be a brave chicken. And the brutish bunnies. I love questions. Oh dear. The brutish bunnies being brutes. Oh, the British bunnies now have a big lead. Yeah, British bunnies are ahead by quite a while. If chickens are nearly finished. Okay, brave chickens are finished. Total points of 37,630. Tiny whales about halfway done. Righteous raccoons just behind them. British bunnies are also nearly finished. Okay, how are we doing? British bunnies are nearly finished. Brave chickens are done. Tiny whales over halfway, same with the righteous raccoons. Again, take your time, read the questions. In the meantime, those that are finished, please please have a look into the flowers in which you are going to choose for your book or your poster. Yes, Hermione.
My quiz, I cannot play the quiz anymore because it is paused.
Paused. Minnie, is that the same with you?
No, I finished.
You finished? Okay, cool. 1 second, Hermione. Let me look into that there now. Yes, P. Yes, what's wrong? Yeah, no. I'm good. It's hard to get there.
Okay.
Yeah, there.
Yes, it is.
Yep, see? Who's here? I'm looking to just. Yes, what's up? What time is it? It's 10:52. Yes, what's up? That's you, what do you want to do? What would you like to do? No, like, it's you. You think that like, continuing on and using practice as your educational research is what you want to do? Well, okay, what do you think? Yeah, so far, yes, Rosie. Yes, anything. Yes, okay. I'm not sure. You should pause. Like, the quiz is going from my side. Okay, hold on a second. I can see the reason why it paused. Like, the question is still on here. When this finishes, I get a notification that says complete. It should pause itself. I will check your settings on your side. Okay, see if there's, yeah, okay, so we have to wait for everyone else to finish. Okay, stop sharing your screen, please. Thank you. Show me your screen. So then there's a share screen option. Okay. Emily. Okay, down the very bottom of your screen, there's a like a little green button. It's called Share Screen.
Seen it already, but I don't know how to connect it with the quiz.
Okay, so when you click on Share Screen, you'll get this options come up. It says Share Your Screen. You choose which screen to share, and then click Share Screen, and then it'll show me. Lily, do you have the same problem?
No, I finished, but I can't see your screen.
Okay, no, I stopped sharing my screen. Okay, look, let's not worry about it. Sorry about that. I will. Yes, Mincho, what's up? Yes, Mincho. Nothing. Okay, thanks. Okay, I'm not too sure what happened there. I'll get it fixed. I'll look into it. I'll try to figure out what's wrong. In the meantime, the quiz is still there. Okay, the game is still running. Maybe there. I'll try reset it from my side, Hermione. See if there's something I can do, or see if there's something I've missed. I don't think so. I'm pretty sure I made sure the settings would continue to run regardless. So I'll have a look on my side. So what I want you to do for the next step of your book or your poster or whichever it is that you wish to do, please choose a flower. I want you to choose a flower and the adaptations of a flower. If you're choosing something or you're making a poster about all the adaptations of one particular type of plant or flower, I want you to make sure that you focus on the pollination, fertilization, and reproductive cycles of that particular plant or flower. If what you're choosing is non-flowering, it uses cones or spores or something else, please make sure to focus on that section. If you're talking about a flowering plant, obviously you can talk about the adaptations of that flower to attract pollinators and start the pollination cycle. Yes.
If I choose a cactus, then it has a flower, but if we do the leaves part, then the cactus don't have a leaf.
That's technically not true. If you do, when you're doing your research, have a look at, there are some particular types of cactus. They do have leaves. They're just very, very, very small, okay? There are some there. But you can also talk about the adaptation of a cactus not having leaves, right? Flowers, okay? Please make sure to choose something. We'll chat about it tomorrow. Flowers, peace out. I love you. Bye-bye.